So today I'm going you guys to introduce an efficient and intelligent application which enables us to create AI agents without any prior knowledge on coding, and user can easily interact and easily create interact with this no code platform by connecting and integrating different services and create an agent for your uh, that appropriate workflow. So basically, this is now in the development stage. I have now integrated some tools to execute some of the use cases, and so basically, this application is running in Docker, and I have pushed it to the Docker and running. It contains the MongoDB, and backend I have built with the Fast API and frontend with the uh, React. Okay, so let's start. Uh, so I'm trying to create an agent. It's basically a basic chatbot. Like I'm just clicking to create a node. Here we can integrate different services: Gmail, Google Docs, Slack. Here I'm going to integrate it with a chat grok model. This is basically the model. We can select the different models. We have Llama 3.2, 3.1 versatile, 90 billion and 8 billion parameters mixed style. Here I am selecting 3.2, and we should have an API key to interact with this model, and I'm copying this API key and pasting here. Here we can select the temperature range of our model. So this is basically here we can change the parameters and settings of that particular node what we have creating by saving. Here we can see that grok chat model node, and here I'm connecting with the output. So finally, this is the basic chat agent, and I'm saving it. It will be creating the backend. So now I am trying to testing it with by directly we can chat. Just say let's say I'm asking what is generative AI. Yeah, here we got the answer from the agent. So now we can test with like some real time questions like what is the petrol price today in Bengaluru. Yeah, we are receiving right time and AI and don't have real time access because we have not these AI models have not able to connect with these search and what is happening today. So we are going to integrate an existing agent with the Google search. So this is our existing model, existing agent. Here I am trying to add a tool. This is called Google search. Here we have Google search, Wikipedia, RAG agents. Here I am integrating it with Google search, and it asks for Google API key and search engine ID that we can easily create by Google. uh, this is Google API key from the Google console. Here I have created Google search and integrated, and clicking save button. It's saved successfully. Then I'm going to test this agent with the same question what I have asked previously. Let's see what will it give. So here we have getting the correct answer. The current petrol price in Bengaluru is 102.92 per liter. In this way, we can interact this agent by asking the real-time questions. So basically, what I am trying to tell you guys that currently I am building these kind of tools because the user can easily interact and easily create by drag and drop method, and I'm trying to create and integrate more and more services. Let's say if we are trying to integrate these model with the RAG, retrieval augmented generation, and we can connect with some vector databases. And if the final output you want to store it to the Google documents, if you want to call, if you want to send email with that content, in that way I'm trying to creating. Currently this application is under development, and I'm trying to add more and more services, and I will deploy these the entire application as soon as possible, and you guys can access this application without any cost. And I will share you with the deployed URL. And please subscribe my channel for the more and more updates related to this. And also, parallelly, I am working with some different experiments with generative AI models, and we can create new agents and new applications. So if you have any queries, and if you have any suggestions, you can comment, and according to that suggestion, I can further move and work on it. So thank you guys, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.